Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can create AliExpress affiliate link and promote it, and I'm going to show you guys other things when you are promoting AliExpress affiliate links. Okay, some tips because I promote like AliExpress affiliate links. I'm going to show you guys what I learned. Okay, so to get or to create AliExpress affiliate link, of course you first have to sign up for AliExpress affiliate program. If you haven't done that already, it's very easy and they accept almost everyone. You just need to have a website or a Facebook page or just somewhere where you can promote these products. Okay, even if you are not going to promote these products on the platform, on that platform that you are going to add, but it doesn't really matter. You just add a random website there and they will accept you guys. If you haven't done that already, you can just search for AliExpress affiliate and then you will be able to see here AliExpress affiliate portals, and just click on it and then add your personal information. Okay, so after guys you do that, what you guys need to do next, as you can see here, after you are on this page, now to get the link or to create a link, okay, to create AliExpress affiliate link, you just need to, as you can see, I'm also going to show you guys as you can see, if you click here on tools, okay, and click on site stripe, okay, and what you guys need to do, you want to enable this display status. As you can see, you want to enable this is just the first method that will help you create AliExpress link. Now after you enable this, you want to go now to AliExpress, okay, your normal AliExpress account. Now any product you click on, if I click on this product, for example, they will show me here the commission, which is 7%, and they will give me here a button where it says get link. Now if you click on this get link button, you can just click on copy, as you can see, tracking link, and then you just need to copy it. Okay, of course if you want to display this on your website, you can always add the image here, and this is the embed code of the image. Now you can just click on copy and then you can add this affiliate link on anywhere. For example, let's try, I'm going to add it in my link tree. I'm going to paste here the link, and as you can see, if someone clicks on this, it's going to take them directly to my AliExpress product or AliExpress products, so that they can buy the product. If they buy it, I'm going to receive 7% commission, as you can see here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the product. Now that's exactly what you need to do. Now to create a link, you just need to click here, or it says link generator in the tools, and you can just add here the normal link of any product on AliExpress, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to go, for example, to this product. Now just in the top, you can just copy the whole URL or the whole link and then paste it here. Okay, paste it in the page URL, as you can see, and then click on get tracking link, and then they will generate a link for you. Now this link is trackable. Now if you send it to someone and they buy the product, you are going to earn a commission. Okay, so that's exactly how it works. I hope guys this one helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you guys next video.